Ede káàbọ̀ sórí ètò. Welcome to the Yoruba classroom with Onidan Abeni, the auntie Adugbo herself. Every Wednesday is going to be Aroye. We are going to be looking at Itelorun, being content. Itelorun, being content. Ẹni tí ó bá mọ bóun ṣe tó, á mọ bó ṣe máa plan ara ẹ̀ to make things comfortable for him or herself. Á ti mọ̀ pé báyìí ni mo ṣe máa ṣe, báyìí ni mo ṣe máa ṣe, owó báyìí ibi báyìí ló lọ, owó báyìí ibi báyìí ló lọ. Poverty is not a good thing. It's not good. It's not good for anyone to be broke. What is bad is for you to now go out of your way and do stupid things just because you want to acquire things based on what society is saying or your interaction or people in your campus. Àwọn kan wà tí jẹ́ pé wọ́n máa fi kọrin létí ẹ̀ ní wípé ṣé bíbá ìlú yẹ kó wà ojú òtí àwọn ẹgbẹ́ ẹ̀ ṣe bá àwọn ẹgbẹ́ ẹ̀ ṣe ní ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn ẹgbẹ́ ẹ̀ ṣe bá àwọn ẹgbẹ́ ẹ̀ ṣe báyìí ó máa bí mi ní. It used to affect me, I will not lie, especially when it's coming from someone tó jẹ́ pé mo máa ń ka ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ kún, someone close, maybe a close friend, family members, ẹni tó yàn máa ń ka ọ̀rọ̀ wọn kó máa sọ̀rọ̀ kọ bẹ́ẹ̀ létí ẹ̀. It hurts, ó máa ń dùn yàn, especially when you feel that they know your situation. But at the end of the day, come and call Lord and be content with what you have while being prayerful. Àdúrà wa Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ n kùsì. Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ n ṣẹrú ẹgbẹ́ mi. That particular prayer, Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ n ṣẹrú ẹgbẹ́ mi, is knowing yourself worth. Ipò lówó lọ́wọ́ kò ní pé ká wà kó fi rẹ̀ ní position sí kí èèyàn máa kọ́ máa sọ̀rọ̀ sí jàgàjàgà. Kó wá wò pé yes ó fẹ́ ṣe é láàánú ṣùgbọ́n kó wá tún fi ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀tẹ́ kó fi gbáǹdì. No! Drink your garri in peace than be ridiculed because someone wants to give you turkey. Itelorun, contentment. Everyone should have it. Go to God. So pé Ọlọ́run fún mi ní ẹ̀mí ìtẹ́lọ́rùn to be able to excel when you are content with what you have. If you have more than, you still be able to manage. I tell myself that coming from my background, let me be millionaire today. Just get some things where I know fit do. I was arguing with my colleagues. They were like, Abeni Ronnie, tó bá ní kíní kan kò lè decide pé máa lọ jẹ dinner ní Paris. Ó lọ far o. I'm not even capping. It's just knowing my background, knowing myself, knowing how my mom and dad struggled. I'm very conscious around money. I can say I won't be I just can't. It's a good thing to have. It's just that some things are more important than others. And you know someone that has taught me something. He is so nice. He's such a kind-hearted person. I've learned a lot from him because this man will not buy things for himself. And his mind is occupied with any buy. Not that she is rich or something. Be comfortable. Have you paid your bills? Your regular bills, the one you have now. Surely some that is all that matters. That is all that matters. Àwọn tó bá ti san tó ti sanwó school ọmọ, ó ti sanwó ilé, ó ti sort owó tó máa fi lọ síbi iṣẹ́, ó ti top ó fẹ́ ṣe Go TV, ó fẹ́ ṣe data internet tó ṣe gbogbo yẹn, ó wá ní change tó kù. Ó gba ọmọ ìyá mi ra zobo. Zina's Delight wà pẹ̀lú ẹ̀. Ọmọ ìyá mi ra malt tí ó bá yọ wine. You don't have to go to the buffet at the hotel. Kí ni àmàlà ya Síkírà wà ńbẹ̀ jẹun jamala kó gbádùn ayé ẹ kó fi sóbò tẹ́ǹdì. My darling, ọmọ ìyá mi easy. Ní ìtẹ́lọ́rùn. Oh God, I'm so grateful for that man. Daddy mi, ẹ ṣé. Ìyá mi lọ́rùn, I am grateful. Bá níta ló máròyé ìwà, ẹ bá mi sọ fún wọn pé Olúwabùnmilọ́lá Abeni náà ni the auntie Adugbo herself, your honorary big sister. The big auntie of the streets of Yoruba land. And that is what we are having today. Thank you. And God